This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lisa Andino. Welcome to this expansive and thoughtfully designed Carrollwood residence offering exceptional space, functionality, and charm. Boasting 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a dedicated home office, and an expansive bonus/media room, this home is perfectly designed for comfort and entertaining, perfect for today's flexible living needs. Step into the tiled foyer and admire the seamless flow into the open concept living and dining areas featuring vaulted ceilings, a cozy fireplace, and an abundance of natural light streaming through plantation-shuttered windows. The kitchen is equipped with modern cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a cozy eat-in nook, ideal for morning coffee or casual meals. The primary suite offers a tranquil retreat with a walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bath showcasing granite finishes and travertine flooring. A secondary suite, perfect for guests or multi-generational living, includes its own upgraded bath and custom closet. Additional bedrooms and a beautifully updated bath are thoughtfully positioned in a separate wing for added privacy. The custom-designed office is a standout, complete with built-ins, a window seat, and classic cabinetry. Enjoy movie nights or gatherings in the oversized media room, which opens to a brick paver patio and a lush, manicured backyard. Notable upgrades include a brand new roof APR/25, granite countertops and travertine flooring in all bathrooms, and professionally cleaned tile throughout. The home also features double-glazed windows, icing insulation, a 4-zone Carrier Infinity AC system, and a premium security system with perimeter cameras. A climate-controlled 10x22 storage room adds even more functionality. This move-in ready gem blends classic charm with modern upgrades in one of Carrollwood's most desirable neighborhoods. Ideally located in Carrollwood, just minutes from shopping, dining, top schools, and a short drive to the Tampa Airport, downtown Tampa and Gulf Coast beaches. For more information, review the details below.